In this video, I am going to show you how you can make $10,000 per month by the help of ChatGPT. If you're looking to make some extra cash or explore new income opportunities, then you won't want to miss this video. For those who don't know what ChatGPT is, follow up my short video in iCard button. So let's get started. There are millions of ways to make money through ChatGPT, and here's some of my favorite methods. First way is freelancing. Sign up on Fiverr.com and create a gig with the help of ChatGPT. You can provide content writing services or article writing by the help of ChatGPT. Let's say you want to write about World War II. Go to chatgpt.openai and ask how World War II started and what destruction it caused. ChatGPT will answer your question and write a blog in just 2 minutes. Or let's say you want to start your own blog about health or any niche. You can ask ChatGPT for the latest trends, statistics, and studies on the topic, and use that information to create high-quality articles that attract an audience and potentially monetize your blog through advertising or affiliate marketing. Second way is market research. Let's say you're thinking of starting a new business in the food industry. You can use ChatGPT to research market trends, consumer preferences, and competition in the industry, and use that information to make informed decisions about your business strategy and potentially make money by identifying profitable opportunities. Third way is personal development. Let's say you're interested in learning a new skill, such as coding or graphic design. You can use ChatGPT to research and learn about the topic, and potentially use that skill to make money through freelance work or by starting your own business. So there you have it, folks. Those are some ways through which you can make money using ChatGPT. Whether you're a blogger, freelancer, entrepreneur, or just looking to explore new opportunities, ChatGPT can provide you with valuable information and insights that can help you achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. A subscribe would be appreciated.